continue fabricating stories that have no basis. Thank you very much.
The last lap, Mr. Hapunda, you had your hand up. Father here had a hand up. I'm getting the last questions, and that will be the last one. Please bear with me. We still have another briefing at 21 hours, so if you have issues, we still can take them. So in that order, now I'm even ashamed to point at my brother here. Okay, yes.
Good evening. Good evening, Director. My name is Brian Hapunda from the PF Information Committee, or if you like, Media Committee. My question is as follows. Director, we are aware that there is a certain named tabloid that intends to announce to the nation tomorrow the winner of this race. And my question is that what are the ramifications of this action by this named tabloid newspaper in the electoral process? And I wish to find out who has the mandate to declare a winner or announce election results. Thank you.
I'm Father Zulu. I wish to hear your comment, Director. In the event a ballot booklet has been found to have less pages, what is your advice?
Kangoma Jeffrey, the Social and Civic Education Zambia. Looking at the overwhelming response from the voters, I've come to notice that the polling staff will not have some quiet time for them to go and vote where they're supposed to be. Most of them were waiting for the certificate so they'll be allowed to vote at the polling station where they're waiting for. And a few moments ago, they were still waiting for these to be delivered. Are they going to be delivered or they'll be defranchised? Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's it. We will. Thank you very much. We'll take on those questions, and like I said, that's the last lap after that we break until 21 hours when we come back from another brief by the director.
Thank you. This tabloid that intends to announce the winner tomorrow, have they taken over the conduct of the election, would be my question. Because it's the Electoral Commission of Zambia that is in charge of running this election. So where will they get the results from that they're going to announce? The polls close at 18 hours. We have four different elections to count, plus the referendum, 5. And then thereafter, each polling station has to deliver the results to the constituency center. For the totaling, that's another process. Other results will only be airlifted tomorrow morning by Zambia Air Force. So where are the final results going to come from? When we'll still be in the process of transporting results to constituency centers totally. And given the 5 elections, it's highly unlikely that we will get the first input by midnight today, probably the early hours of tomorrow. We haven't even received an indication from the districts as to what the estimates are. Mufulira actually focused in announcing the results by 10 tomorrow morning. We may have an indication when we come back at 21 hours. So the fact is, and we all know it, that it is the mandate of the Electoral Commission of Zambia to announce, first of all, to manage the results management system, which starts from the polling station up to the constituency center, up to the receipt of the results here. And it is the mandate of the Commission to announce and declare the results through the returning officer, who is the chairperson of the Electoral Commission of Zambia. So any other result that is claimed to be a result is not official. It's not a result. It's not because it's not ours. So let's be responsible. There are ramifications for falsehoods, and which can cause unnecessary public alarm. So let's just be responsible and be patient and wait for the process to be completed, would be the appeal of the Commission. A ballot booklet that has less pages, what is your advice? I'm presuming that this is at the start of the poll, because at the end of the poll, any ballot booklet that is used will have less pages. In that event, because every presiding officer takes stock of the ballot booklets that they have at the start of the poll for each election, they record the serial numbers in the presence of the polling agents, and this is availed to the polling agents, and it is the duty of the presiding officer to make this known to the polling agents. And they would normally use the complete booklets and only fall back on that one in the event that probably there's an overwhelming turnout and they need to use each and every ballot booklet. But there's an audit trail at the beginning of the poll and at the close of the poll, because you must be able to balance the number of booklets and ballot papers you had at the start of the poll and at the end of the poll. And that is done in the full presence of the polling agents that are present and the monitors and observers. Polling staff, certificate of authority to vote. Ideally, polling staff who will be deployed to polling stations that are not their polling station of registration should be given their certificate of authority to vote at the time of deployment. And if this was not done, then that was not in order, and I'll find out if it's in Lusaka, I'll find out from the town clerk why this was not done. But I hope that they will be able to deliver the certificates before the close of poll, so that our poll staff are not disenfranchised. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The next briefing is at 21 hours. I just would like to announce that someone has misplaced car keys. I've got the car keys, so you have to convince me you are the deserving owner by describing the car keys, and if there is any tag to it, let me know. What type of car is it? Secondly, the media. We have created a media center upstairs. It is interactive, so it will be loaded with data as this data in terms of results and other information come in. So it is really for you. If you will not be able to catch up in terms of news here, you can just walk upstairs. And we also have a newsroom, just in case you would like to conduct interviews upstairs. I will be encouraging ZNBC, please. We have a newsroom upstairs, and our background is beautiful. So please, let's use that facility. So with that, let's meet at 21 hours. I'd like to thank you very much. Thank you very much, Director.
Thank you.